Okay, guys, let us do the last one. I'm sorry about that cut. I ran out of space, but then hopefully you will get a continuation of what is happening. Okay, so we remember we were doing this one. Our final answer, it was x minus 1, then into the bracket of what, of x plus 5. So this is our answer here. Okay, so let us do the last one, guys. You are given now a 2x squared plus what, plus 7x plus 3. Okay, guys, remember in this one we were able to divide by 3 throughout, because the 3 was common in this whole expression. But in this case, let us check if we can divide by the coefficient of x squared. Okay, if you check, guys, 2 divided by 2, okay, it is x squared, but then now we cannot divide the 7 by the 2. Yes, we can, but we're gonna get a decimal, and then it's gonna be very challenging to deal with what, with decimals. Okay, so if you cannot find the common factor that simplify the whole expression, guys, what do you do in this case? That is when we are going to use our AC method. Okay, in this case we use, or rather we adopt what, the AC method. What is an AC method? It is whereby you take in what, the coefficient of x squared. Okay, the coefficient of x squared, remember, the coefficient of x squared is our a, the coefficient of x is our b, then the constant is our c. So what is the AC method? Remember, I said that it is ax squared plus what, plus bx plus c. I say this one is our general expression. Okay, so the AC method is whereby you take in the value of what, of a, you multiply it by what, by c. Okay, then we call that method an AC method. All right, so okay, let us put it into practice. We are given this expression 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Our a here, it is what, it is 2. Our b, it is 7. Our c, it is what, it is 3. So that means our AC it's gonna be equals to what? It's gonna be 2 times what? Times 3. Okay, 2 times 3, that gives us what? 6, right? So what is this 6 now? What is this 6, guys? Now this 6, it's gonna become our new value of what? Of c. That means instead of this 3, now, we are not going to use this 3, but we are going to use our 6. That means the AC method, we're doing it so that we substitute the previous value of c with our new value. Okay, so that means now we can rewrite this thing as x, 2x squared plus what, plus 7x plus what, plus 6. That means this is our new value of c now becomes what, 6. Okay, so that now we are able to change our value to become 6. Then you can now, guys, I always use this cross. Okay, I always use this cross. It makes it very easy, it makes it very reliable, and it is easy to understand. Okay, so then now here you're going to put in the value of c, which is what, which is 6. Then here you put in the value of b, which is what, which is our 7. Okay, then here you're going to put a fraction. What do we have, or what are we going to have in our fraction? Our denominator, guys, it's going to be the 2. Where is this 2 coming from? It is coming from the coefficient of what, of x squared. Okay, it is coming from the coefficient of what, of x squared. Then once you are here, then remember this one is our c, this one is our what, it's our b, sorry, it's our b. Okay, the rule, it says what, you find factors of c that multiply to c and add up to what, to b. Our C is 6. Our B is what? It is 7. So what are the vectors of 6 that add up, that multiply to 6 and add up to 7? Those vectors, guys, it is very clear. It is 6 and 1. Okay? It is 6 and 1. Then once you are here, then you open your what? Your 2 bracket. Sorry guys. I shouldn't be writing X. I'm saying we're opening our 2 what? Our 2 bracket. Okay. What do you put here? You take, now we're going to be focusing on these 2. Okay. We're going to be focusing on these 2. 6 over 2 and what? And 1 over 2. Okay. Now what is 6 divided by 2, guys? 6 divided by 2, it is 3. You write the 3 here. Okay. So then now in this case, if you see 1 over 2, it will give us a decimal. So it is not advised to write a decimal, but in this case, you are going to take the 2, which is the denominator, and put it as our first what? Our first value. So that is 2x, then plus what? Plus the 1, guys. Where is the 1 coming from? It's our numerator. In this case, remember, it is 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, it is 3. So that means the 3 is what, guys? It is positive. So that means our factors, it is what, guys? This is our factors. Our factors is going to be x plus 3, then 2x plus 1. Okay. I hope it's clear, guys. I hope I didn't confuse you. Let us recap. If in a case whereby you cannot find the common factor, you use what? The AC method. What is the AC method? Is whereby you take in the coefficient of what? Of x squared, you multiply it by C. In this case, our A is what? It is 2 times what? Times 3. We got our 6. Okay. Then this 6 become our new C. Instead of this 3, we are going to use our 6. So then we were able to rewrite our expression to be 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. Okay. Then we're using the cross method, whereby here you're putting in the value of C, whereby here you're putting in the value of what? Of B. Then you find those 2 factors that multiply 2 to 6 and add up to what? To 7. The factors is what? It is 6 and 1. Okay. Remember, this 2, we say it's coming from what? It's always coming from the coefficient of what? Of x squared, or it's always coming from the value of what? Of A. So then we've got 6 divided by 2, which is our 3. Then it becomes x plus 3. Then this one, because it's not divisible, you just take it as it is. The denominator become our first factor, but then you multiply it by x, and then plus what? Plus the 1. Okay. If we FOIL to check if we are going to get the original expression, guys, let us FOIL x times 2x. This one gives us what? 2x squared. Okay. Then the x times 1, it's gonna give us what? Our x. 3 times 2x, it's plus what? Plus 6x. Okay. Sorry guys. My paper is moving here. Okay, remember it was 3 times the 2x. Then now 3 times 1, it is what, guys? It is the 3. Okay. So if you check x and 6x, they are like terms. So you can just join them together. It's like you're saying 1 plus 6. That gives us what? A 7x plus 3. Plus the 3. Okay, sorry for that. So if you check this one, it was the original expression that was given to us. So that it guys. For now, we're gonna come with more videos and do some more example so that we can memorize this thing. And make sure, guys, you subscribe to the channel and you like the lessons. Thank you, guys. See you next time.